Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. In this video guys, I'm gonna be painting a plaque. It's a metal plaque. This plaque was sent to me a while back, and I haven't had a chance to do it, so I'm gonna start off on it right now. I'm gonna finish it up and show you the process. This plaque's gonna be going candy. The trick is it's gonna be going candy on bare metal. I'm gonna show you the trick to do that. I'm going to show you how to mix the candy and start spraying it. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start taking the paint off. I'm going to have to scrape it down to bare metal. I'm going to be using this wheel with the angle grinder and take everything off. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing that, and then I'm going to show you how to do the designs that are going to be popping out for the candy. Alright, so let's get started, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, after sanding it down, I sanded it with the disc. You saw me do it. Okay, now what I'm going to do in my angle grinder, I'm going to get 80 grit discs. Okay, and I'm going to start making designs. That's what's going to be popping out of the candy, and it's going to give it a real good effect. So let me show you how to do that, and enjoy. And there it is, guys. You can do it with a smaller disc. It's a lot easier, but this is all I had right now, so that's what I'm doing. But you see the design that it has. Now that's what's gonna pop out of the candy color. Now let me start shooting the candy so that you can see the effects. All right, and let me show you the candy that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be mixing it with some inner coat clear, okay? And then I'll be shooting the clear on top of it. But this is a candy. It's from Grant 7, and this one's called Fool's Gold. I just got two different. This is a concentrate candy, so I'm going to show you how to mix it. And there's another one, and this one's called Grantee Wine. Okay, I'm more than likely going to be using the wine, the Grantee Wine, on this plaque. The gentleman that sent me this plaque to redo told me to do whatever I wish, so I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be doing the candy. I'm going to be doing the Grantee, the Grantee Wine. Okay, so like I said before, guys, Grant 7 has a lot of paints and clears, so you can go check out his website. There it is. I'll link it down below, anyways, so you can go to his store and check him out. Okay, so let me get started. Okay, before showing you the painting process, let me show you the candies that I'm going to be using. I'll be using two colors from Grant 7. This one's Fool's Gold, and this one's Grantee Wine. These are 8-ounce bottles, highly concentrated, which means that it needs to be added to some Intercoat clear or just straight clear. I recommend, guys, Intercoat clear. Okay, it gives you a better outcome, but well, it will work with regular clear also. This 8-ounce bottle will it will treat 1 gallon of Intercoat clear or regular clear to make 1 sprayable gallon of candy. Okay, so now if you want to cover the area quicker with 2 to 3 coats, I recommend adding 16 ounces. These are 8 ounces. Add two of these little bottles to 1 gallon of Intercoat clear, and you'll be good. Okay, so let me show you the mixture. This is just straight black. This is jet black that I'm going to be using also. But let me start mixing them, and that way you can see how these are mixed. I'm not going to be mixing a lot because the plaque is like not that big, so I don't need that much. So, but I'm going to show you how to mix it and start spraying.
24 hours later.
All right, guys, change of plans. I'm glad I called the owner of the plaque. I advised him as to what I was gonna do. He said he wanted 1 solid color, so I'm glad I called. Okay, so he decided to go with a Grantee wine, so we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with a Grantee wine, solid color, but I'm still gonna show you the process, how to mix it. All right. Okay, another thing, I already waxed and grease removed everything. Another thing that I forgot to mention was you need to add adhesion promoter. There's no way that the paint is going to stick to bare metal. You need to add the adhesion promoter. I'm going to do like 2 passes, waiting 10 minutes in between, and then I'll start adding the candy color. Okay, let me start mixing. This is mixed 2 to 1. It tells you right there for the Intercoat clear. So it's 2 parts of the clear to the 1 part of the reducer. Okay, and then I'll start mixing the candy. Let me mix the clear. Okay, again, I went towards 2 to 1. I looked for the 2 to 1 in the cup, and I added all the way to the 3, which is the 2 parts of the Intercoat clear, and then I went all the way to on the number 1. I went all the way to the 3 also. That's gonna mean that's 1 part of the reducer. That's it. That's all the way you mix it. Okay guys, let's start with the candy, the Grantee wine. This one, I can't tell you how much to add. It all depends to you. Let me show you how I do it in order for me to guess how much candy I need for that project. Okay, now how I mentioned that this full 8-ounce can will cure 1 gallon of Intercoat clear. Now, if you add 2 cans to 1 gallon of Intercoat clear, you're gonna cover a lot quicker on your candy project. Which, in 2 coats, maybe 3, you'll have it. But let me show you how I do it when it's real little, and how I figure out when I need to stop adding candy. Alright guys, the way I'm looking as to see how much candy I need is with the stick. Once I pick it up, I'm looking at the amount of coverage, okay? And the time it takes for it to run down. Now when I pick it up, the coverage is excellent right now. So that means that this candy is ready. Now if I keep on adding more candy, it's gonna start getting darker and darker. So when I start shooting the first pass, it's gonna cover it real quick, and that's not good either, because you need to cover it in layers. You can't go in the first pass and have it covered. It's not gonna work that way. When you're doing a full car, you need coverage in at least 2 to 3 coats. Okay, so this is perfect. This is the way I check. So it's ready. Let me pour it in the gun, start shooting it. There it is, guys. Let me show you with the light. Right there, you can see the effect that it has on the designs that I did on the metal. But there it is. All in all, the candy covered really good. It covered well. I added 3 coats of candy, and 2 coats of the Grand 7 clear. So you can see right there, it covered nicely, and that's it. That it came out really nice. I'm gonna let it dry, let it sit for overnight, and pack it up and ship it. But that'll be it, guys. Okay, now I have something else that's coming up. Maybe you saw it on the community tab, but let me show you. And this is it, guys. It's another accordion. Everything's taken off already. Now this accordion's gonna be going in one of those color shifting paints. So that's what's next. Hopefully you guys like these little videos. I'm glad I'm getting little things right now because it's winter here, and I don't want to get a full-size car right now because it's gonna be hard for me to paint it. But these little things like the plaque, like the accordions and all that, that's perfect. Alright, I hope you guys like. The next video is coming up, and guys, this will be it for this video. Okay guys, thank you. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. There's more to come. I hope you guys enjoy those videos that I show you, that I talk about the reducers and all that, and there's more to come, guys. Okay, well, thank you, and have a great weekend. God bless. See you next week.